What's up, my Power Up friends? Welcome back to Power Up with Kanie. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a super delicious chicken recipe. Keto Honey Garlic Chicken Delight. And I have Evan here today that's going to help me with this recipe. It is so easy to make. So we have some pink Himalayan salt. We also have some grass-fed butter. This is the most inexpensive and it tastes amazing. This one I find at Aldi. And then I also have some honey, but you are welcome to use allulose syrup or monk fruit syrup if you want something that's completely low carb, but I'm just using about 2 tablespoons of honey. And then we also have the organic chicken breasts. I got these at Aldi as well. These are really big chicken breasts, so I think that they will feed my entire family. And then you'll need about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. You'll notice that I'm using an ample amount of the grass-fed butter for this recipe. As you know, on a keto diet, carbohydrates are greatly reduced and fats become our greatest source of energy. And that's why it's essential to integrate into your diet, into your keto diet, at least 70% of your diet should be good fats. So that's why we're going to very intentionally today integrate this grass-fed butter. Not only will it make it taste amazing, it'll also help feed your brain. Fats are very satiating, meaning they keep you full longer, and they also help to support hormone production. So the building blocks that help with your hormones, say for example, you're a woman that's going into premenopause or you're in menopause or now in postmenopause, having these fats for healthy hormone production is going to be crucial. So let's get started. Evan's going to help me put the Himalayan pink salt in all of the cuts that I made into the chicken, and we're going to make sure that we spread it out very evenly. Now I'm going to mince 5 cloves of garlic and add them to the chicken. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use about half this bar of butter, which is 6 to 8 tablespoons of butter. I know, again, that seems like a lot, but that is what's going to make this recipe delicious, satiating, and truly keto. So you're going to be able to get your fats in with this one recipe. I'm putting these in the pan until they melt. And then we will be adding our garlic. You will stay full a very long time after you have this chicken with whatever it is that you choose to have it with a little bit of salad, some avocado, some cooked veggies, it's up to you. But the flavor is out of this world. Just the flavor of that sweetness that the honey will give it and the garlic, this will be a real treat for you and your family. My butter is nicely melted, so I'm just going to add a few pieces of that garlic that we chopped up just so this butter takes on that delicious garlic flavor. We'll add the rest when the chicken is cooking. We're going to let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes on that side on medium heat. So all that garlic flavor, butter flavor just really penetrates that chicken. And then in about 10 minutes, I'm going to flip it over on the other side, and then we will add the honey. So when it looks like this on the bottom, then you know it's time to flip it. So it's golden brown, it's looking delicious, but before we flip it, I'm going to add our 2 tablespoons of honey into our butter. We're going to let the chicken cook on that side for 10 to 12 minutes as well, and then it'll be ready. All right, our chicken is ready and it looks so amazing. And if it tastes like it smells, it tastes like glory. I mean, just delicious. I can't wait to dig my teeth into this thing. How about you, Evan?
I mean, my mom, I don't know how she can do this. I mean, that looks glorious right there.
All right, let's cut into it. We're gonna give it a taste test. You ready, Evan? What piece do you want?
I think I want this
that piece right there.
my mind.
Oh, that's a big old piece.
I give this like a 100 out of 10. This is so good.
Okay, warning. If you make this recipe for your family, they're going to be asking for it every single day. It is to die for. So let me tell you all of the flavors that my taste buds are perceiving as I taste this chicken. So I can taste the sweetness. I can taste the honey. I can taste the garlic. It's very buttery and tender. It almost feels like dessert. I mean, it's amazing.
It's so
to die for.
amazing.
Is it kid approved, Evan?
Of course it is.
All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are keto friendly, low carb, healthy for you, and super delicious, not just for you, but for your entire family, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video, and share my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.